Get ready, allergy sufferers. If seasonal allergies are putting a damper on your daily life, this YouTube video is about to change the game for you. Whether you're an allergy veteran or simply curious about natural remedies, this video is a must-watch. Join us on this journey to uncover the best remedy for seasonal allergic rhinitis. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Let's dive in and bid farewell to seasonal allergies once and for all. What is bee pollen? Bee pollen is a natural substance produced by honeybees. It is a mixture of pollen collected by bees from flowering plants, along with nectar and bee saliva. Bees collect pollen as a protein source to feed their young. Bee pollen is considered a nutritional powerhouse because it contains a variety of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and antioxidants. Some people believe that consuming bee pollen can provide various health benefits, including boosting the immune system, improving digestion, enhancing energy levels, and reducing allergy symptoms. But if you have known allergies to bee stings, honey, or other bee products, consuming bee pollen can potentially trigger allergic reactions. It's essential to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before adding bee pollen or any other supplement to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Number 5. Nutritional content. Bee pollen is known for its nutritional richness, containing a variety of vitamins such as A, C, E, and B vitamins, minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc, proteins including essential amino acids, carbohydrates for energy, enzymes for digestion, and antioxidants that help protect against oxidative stress. However, the exact nutrient composition of bee pollen can vary depending on factors like plant sources. While it can contribute to nutrient intake, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized nutritional advice. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Bee pollen is believed to possess potential anti-inflammatory properties attributed to its components such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These compounds have been shown to modulate the immune response and reduce the production of pro-inflammatory substances. While current evidence is limited and primarily based on laboratory and animal studies, bee pollen's anti-inflammatory effects may have implications for managing inflammatory conditions. However, individual responses to bee pollen can vary, and further research, including well-designed clinical trials, is needed to determine its extent of effectiveness in humans. Number 3. Antioxidant properties. Bee pollen is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, phenolic compounds, and enzymes like superoxide dismutase, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. By combating oxidative stress, antioxidants in bee pollen have the potential to support overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. However, the specific health benefits of bee pollen antioxidants in humans are still under investigation, and the effectiveness may depend on factors such as dosage, bioavailability, and overall antioxidant balance in the body. It's important to note that a varied diet with multiple antioxidant-rich foods is recommended for optimal antioxidant intake, and consulting with healthcare professionals can provide personalized advice on nutritional considerations. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Number 2. Immune system support. Let's delve into the potential immune system support attributed to bee pollen, which is another aspect of its potential health benefits. Bee pollen is often believed to enhance the immune system due to its nutritional composition. It contains various nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, proteins, and antioxidants, which are important for supporting immune function. The immune system plays a critical role in defending the body against pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, and other harmful substances. Some studies suggest that certain components of bee pollen, such as antioxidants and bioactive compounds, can help strengthen the immune system by promoting the production of immune cells, enhancing their activity, and modulating immune responses. However, it's important to note that the scientific evidence supporting the immune-enhancing effects of bee pollen is limited, and more research is needed to establish its effectiveness in humans. Furthermore, the immune system is a complex network of interactions and responses, and its overall health relies on a combination of factors, including diet, lifestyle, genetics, and overall well-being. While bee pollen may offer some nutritional support, it's important to adopt a holistic approach to immune system health, which includes maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and other healthy lifestyle practices. Number 1. Allergy relief. Let's explore the topic of allergy relief, which is associated with bee pollen and is considered one of its potential health benefits. One popular belief surrounding bee pollen is that consuming small amounts of it can help desensitize the body to pollen allergens and reduce allergy symptoms. The theory is that by regularly exposing the body to small amounts of pollen through bee pollen consumption, the immune system gradually becomes less reactive to pollen, resulting in a reduction in allergy symptoms. However, it's important to note that the scientific evidence supporting this claim is limited. While there are anecdotal reports and individual experiences suggesting that bee pollen may help alleviate allergy symptoms, there is a lack of robust scientific studies to substantiate these claims. In fact, for individuals with known allergies to bee products, consuming bee pollen can potentially trigger allergic reactions rather than provide relief. Allergies to bee pollen itself, as well as cross-reactivity with other pollen types, can occur in some individuals. It's crucial for individuals with known allergies to bee stings, honey, or other bee products to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before considering bee pollen as a potential remedy for seasonal allergies. If you experience seasonal allergies, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis, management strategies, and appropriate treatment options. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific allergies and medical history. In summary, while some people believe that bee pollen may provide allergy relief by desensitizing the body to pollen allergens, scientific evidence supporting this claim is limited. For individuals with known allergies to bee products, caution should be exercised, as consuming bee pollen can potentially trigger allergic reactions. We hope you found the information and insights valuable in your quest for allergy relief. Remember, bee pollen is just one potential remedy, and it's always important to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and guidance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or experiences, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and here's to a season of allergy-free living.